We've been building multi-camera systems since 2011, using Xangle Camera Server to operate complex setups of sometimes hundreds of cameras for bullet time and photogrammetry productions. Over the years, we've been asked many times if we could support GoPro cameras to build simple, compact, and lightweight setups. The answer was always no, because GoPros were not a realistic option for this kind of controlled workflow. Until now. With the right setup, Xangle Camera Server can operate a compact GoPro array that is simple to transport, quick to deploy, and practical for compact productions. In this video, we'll show the minimum setup needed to get a small GoPro rig running, trigger a shot, and review the result, all from Xangle Camera Server. This kind of system is useful when you want a compact bullet time rig that is faster to set up and easier to transport than any larger installation. The idea is simple. Multiple cameras are placed on a small rig, triggered together, and then the images are used to create the bullet time effect. As usual, the capture and most of the workflow are managed from a single interface in our software. This is just a practical overview, but the full documentation is available at xanglecs.com/GoPro. For this demo, we used 6 GoPros mounted on a compact rig on a tripod connected to a Windows computer running Xangle Camera Server. For smaller setups like this one, the cameras can be connected directly over USB through powered USB hubs. That makes it a practical option for smaller arrays without requiring a more complex networked installation. As we know, we can't have too many USB devices on a single computer, but we have a simple solution using a dedicated network that makes it possible to scale up to hundreds of units. We also managed to implement a fully wireless connection with GoPros. We still need to figure out how it behaves on dozens of cameras, but this looks very promising.
Yes, it works!
Once the hardware is in place, the actual shooting flow is very simple. We bring the subject into position, trigger the capture using the software, and then review the result. It's fast and repeatable. For this shoot, we tested a few different capture scenarios to show what this kind of setup can do. First, we shot a few jumps using a flash-based synchronization method. The flash was triggered automatically during a 2-second exposure through a custom sequence in the software. This is the only method to achieve high-precision synchronization with GoPros. Second, we tested a constant light photo capture with a static subject. The LED strips are also controlled directly by the software, which makes it easy to see each step of the workflow: countdown, capture, processing, and idle, so the operator can immediately know when the system is ready for the next shot. Third, we tried some long exposure light painting. Here, one important limitation is that the available exposure values on GoPros are constrained, so we worked with fixed durations of 2, 5, and 10 seconds. And finally, we also tested some video capture. This will be perfect for future 4D Gaussian splat automations. The system can be triggered in different ways: a Bluetooth PowerPoint clicker, a gamepad, or directly from the Xangle dashboard. For reference, here are 2 examples of what can be done with the captured files using only 6 frames. The first result is the original aligned playback, and the second one was generated through Gaussian splatting workflow. One more thing. Here's a preview of what's coming with our next update: automated 2D logo integration inside a 3D Gaussian splat scene.